If you've been looking for a way to grill, make pizza at home, and maybe even do a hibachi teppanyaki type deal, and you don't need a very big grill to do it, then you may want to check this out. So this is the 3-in-1 from Cuisinart. Now this runs on propane and it is awesome. This would be great for someone, maybe 2 or 3, on the smaller side for a family or a couple, and even like a smaller home. But with that in mind, you can do so much with this. I absolutely love this. So not only do you have all these different utilities here, including the pizza stone, there is a grate that's right here, as well as this is where you would put the pizza in. But then this one is like the teppanyaki cover. It is so awesome, and it's only dirty because I just used it, but this is really just ideal. The one thing that you will need is you're probably going to want a stand for this, and Cuisinart does sell one. You can probably get something else that will work with it, but it is so easy to use. The pizza, now this size, I think it's like a 12-inch pizza stone. It gets up to like 650, 700 degrees. You can make pizzas really quickly. The thing that I love about this 3-in-1 is just that. It is 3-in-1. Yeah, you can probably, on here, you can get, I've had 8 or 9 hamburgers on there. You can get some onions on there. So it does have a good amount of space on it. So if you had friends and family come over, you still have room to do it. It's not taking up a lot of space. So you don't have to worry about, oh, I need all this room for a grill and a pizza oven, everything in between. This really does it all. And having the ability to switch between all those things makes it super simple. Plus, these things, they come out. So that teppanyaki top there, that griddle top, as well as the grates, it's on the smaller side. So really, I could take it indoors once I'm done and clean everything off. Whereas the big grill that's outside, it's not as easy to do. Yeah, you can kind of do it, but it tends to be a pain. The only thing that I ran into with this Cuisinart 3-in-1 was I have a little bit of trouble with the igniter on it. Now, I don't know, maybe I just don't have it installed close enough to ignite the propane. So I'm going to look at that. The last few times I've had to just light it with a lighter just to get the propane going. But I haven't seen others really complaining or saying much about that. So that's the only thing. Now, it does have this temperature gauge here, and having this little pull down for when you're doing the pizza is really great. So let me just show you some examples of cooking with this. So right here, I got ready and rolled out some dough, and I'm making some pepperoni pizza, grated some fresh cheese, threw on a tomato sauce, a little extra cheese right there, some mozzarella to make it melt and be nice. I got this nice and hot up to temperature, and you can see I left some flour on the bottom there so I can easily get that dough to slide off. Now this is a great size for a personal pan pizza, and you can see me just waiting here until it's done. What I find with this, I do have to rotate it a few times just to get an even cook, but overall it did come out really nice, and this is definitely a great personal size pizza. Let me go ahead and show you kind of what that looks like right there. It's going to go in for a little bit longer, and you can see pretty much the final result, and obviously you can check it out with different doughs and temperatures and see how that works. So next up is the grill, and I got some nice looking T-bone steaks right here. Gonna put that on there. It is up to temperature, and I probably should have let it get a little bit hotter, but overall you can see how many steaks that I have on here. I also have some onions cooking in that tin foil there, and it's doing a pretty good job. Again, I think this really should have gotten a little bit hotter. That was on me, but I've used it other times for burgers and it works really well, and these steaks came out excellent. I cooked them up to a perfect medium rare, and I just love it. Now the final one is the teppanyaki or the flat top. So you have all these options to cook with on this 3-in-1 grill. And I made it almost like a hibachi. Got some vegetables, some fried rice, some of the steak going, and onions. The kids loved it. So really, this is one awesome 3-in-1 griddle, grill, and pizza oven. So if you're looking for something like that, this is going to be great for someone that, again, is a smaller family. Maybe you just don't need something that big. Camping, all those things. It runs on propane, so you're going to be really good to go. This would be great for camping. If you have a camper I mean, this is going to give you the option to do a lot of stuff. Hey, what's better than being at the campground? One night make burgers, the next night you're going to make some pizza, and then, hey, why not do hibachi the last night? This right here is the 3-in-1 Cuisinart